Oh, the hills of dear Newcastle and the smiling vales between, when the corn is all in tassel and the meadowlands are green, where the cattle crop the clover and its breath is in the air, while the sun is shining over our beloved Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, for the sun is shining over our beloved Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, here's the loyal sun that pledges faith to good old Delaware. Where the wheat fields break and billow in the peaceful land of Kent, where the toiler seeks his pillow with the blessings of content, where the bloom that tints the peaches cheeks of merry maidens share, and the woodland chorus preaches a rejoicing Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, for the sun is shining over our beloved Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, here's the loyal sun that pledges faith to good old Delaware. Dear old Sussex visions linger of the holly and the pine, of Henlope and jeweled finger flashing out across the brine, of the gardens and the hedges and the welcome waiting there for the loyal sun that pledges faith to good old Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, for the sun is shining over our beloved Delaware. Oh, our Delaware, our beloved Delaware, here's the loyal sun that pledges faith to good old Delaware.